Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. I got a stack of cards in my mailbox. Wow, thank you guys. Some of these will be the Rag Girls Christmas ornament swap. So that's cool. All right, so I have this one by airmail. This came from the UK. It says Royal Mail. Oh, that's cute. Okay. So let's see. Merry Christmas. Oh, that's nice. Oop. Hope that didn't glare too much in your eyes. Very nice. To the whole owly nest box. Merry Christmas. May this season be filled with love and warmth. Is that Lisa Ladybird? Ladybird Loves? Oh yes, Beanie. That's her kitty. Oh, thank you, Lisa. Thank you so much. All right, thank you. Okay, so this one is from, let me just peek under here, Monica Kozlowski. This is from Ontario, Canada. Okay. Oh, that's sweet. Look. Oh, little polar bear. Merry Christmas. Christmas 2023, Darla, and best wishes for the coming year. Have a Merry Christmas and all the best for 2024 from Monica of Monica's Borderline World. All right, anybody that has a channel, I will definitely link below. Oh, that's really nice on the back too. Thank you so much, Monica. Oh, thank you. Okay, now this one is from, our friend Doris. Okay, our friend Doris. Let's open it up. Merry Christmas. Oh, that's nice. That's a beautiful wreath. And it's got sparklies on it. Do you see the sparkles? So nice. Meaningful, memorable, merry, and bright. Wishing you a Christmas season that's everything you could hope for and more. Doris and James. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. Now this one is from, let me take a peek. This is from our lovely Dana from Dana's Wanderlust Crochet. So this will be an ornament, a rad ornament. Christmas blessings. Beautiful card. Says in here, may the Lord bless his people with peace and happiness and let them celebrate. Psalm 64:10. May you be surrounded by the love of family and the laughter of friends during this Christmas season and always Merry Christmas. Love, Dana. So here's her. Oh, that is so cute. That is so cute. Here's her little rad Christmas ornament. Oh my goodness. That is so adorbs. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm going to hang it with my other ones and then show you. That is so cute. All right, this one is from, let me just take a sneaky peek. This is from Robin from Roaming with Rover and Morgan. And yeah, so I'll open this one. Look at all this. Can you see all the sparkles? That's just the back of the card. Oh, that's nice. Oh, a green truck. That's really nice. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? Oh my, there's stickers. Okay, let's read this. Merry Christmas, wishing you a happy home and a full heart. Merry Christmas, Darla. Hoping your year is full of peace, love, and joy. Robin and Morgan. That is so nice. Thank you. So there's stick. Oh, look at this sticker. Oh, I love it. Cat with balls of yarn. Crochet Queen. Hooker. Where did you get these stickers? Oh, yeah. Look at how cute that is. That is so nice. So very nice. Wow. Yeah, stocking. Okay. Oh, and this one has the metal hanger. So is this one Morgan made? That is so nice. Nice and sparkly and gorgeous. Thank you so much, ladies. Okay, let's see. I have one more here. And this one is from Dragon Bee Crochet. And she's in Canada, where I am. And she's in Saskatchewan, actually. I'm in Manitoba. Advent of Giving, she has written here. Okay. Oh, Christmas blessings. Oh, that's beautiful. There's an owl. Wow, that is beautiful. All these gorgeous animals. They're all living together in harmony. Yep. And the doves. Oh, that's so nice. Image Arts. Okay. Ooh. As you hold this little bookmark, know that I am thinking good thoughts and wishing you and yours much happiness. Wishing you a season of gentle joys and gentle peace. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Lisa from Dragon Bee Crochet. Oh, let me see this. So this is a bookmark. Oh, look how beautiful. And then she has this charm up here. Oh, that's beautiful. It's red to match the bookmark. That's gorgeous. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Wow, that's so nice. Okay, that's it. That's a lot. I wasn't, when I opened up my mailbox yesterday, well, some of these came before, I think. Yeah, a couple of them came before, but then I opened up my mailbox yesterday, and I'm like, I had to struggle to get them out of there because our mailboxes are really slow at the small at the post office. So it's like, whoa, what's all this? Oh, thank you guys. I feel so special, even though I'm not. You know what I mean? Oh. All right, thank you everyone so much, and I'll show you a picture of these beautiful ornaments hanging with the other ones I have received so far. Thanks everyone. Here we go. Here's all the ornaments so far. This one on the end is the one I made and sent out, and kept one for myself. So I have, counting that one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 more to go. Aren't they beautiful? Thank you so much, everyone. I did talk about these 3 in a previous video. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it so, so much. This Christmas ornament swap by the Rag Girls is a lot of fun, and I'm excited to get the rest of the ornaments. And I sent mine out to everyone, so I hope everyone gets there soon if they haven't gotten it already. All right, thanks, guys.